Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm doing a Glitterbels unboxing and I'm going to swatch my new colours for you as well. So this is how it comes. As you can see, it's really well packaged. That little book there that I just pulled out is a book of like all the colours that they do. So yeah, I've got to say it is really well packaged. And the monomer bottle comes in that bubble wrap and this plastic bag, so if it ever did leak it wouldn't get anywhere, which is good. So this first one is Royal Prince and it's a beautiful blue colour with like a purple shimmer glitter running through it. It's gorgeous. And then this one is Lava Lamp. It's so bright, it's gorgeous. They all are, to be honest. This one is pastel pink, or no, pink pastel, sorry. This one is champagne gold. And for some reason it looks really like it's got a green tint to it on the pictures, and in there it kind of looks like a khaki colour, but it's not. It is a proper champagne gold. Camera never does them justice, does it? This lemon sorbet, yeah. Well, you can see how full those pots are as well. You do get your money's worth. They are amazing. I was like trying to dig my surprises out, so I was just feeling how many more were in there for. I might as well just pull them all out and get the box out of the way. So yeah. I'm just going to get the box out of the way and then show the rest of these. So that one is, I forgot what it's called. Dreadful. I'm sure you can see on the video anyway. I can't see because the recording screen's in the way. That one's Carbon Black. I think the other one was a nude colour, but I can't remember what it was called. And then Parma Violet. And then of course glass slippers. And I'll just open it to show you because they have that protector in there so you don't get any spillage. And look how full that is, guys. Amazing value for money, and I just think that these pots look so classy. And so I'm just showing you a core powder and a colour powder side by side so you can see like the size difference and things, because on the pictures on the website, like to me they all look like the same size but they're really not. So I was just trying to make my little pyramid there. Well, there we go, that's what it's called, creme brulee. Sorry, it went out of my head. So yeah, I'm just going to swatch all these colours for you, and then there's a little picture at the end to show you what the swatches look like once they were set. And yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys to watch it. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for joining, guys. Bye.